Hi guys, today we are going to speak about digital marketing. One of the, again, feedback came is what is digital marketing? Is it different than the conventional marketing, or people call it functional marketing? Then they are also asking about what are the differences. Digital marketing, firstly, it's very critical nowadays for any organization. I did a survey for example, right now I'm in Bangladesh. 70% of people are using internet through smartphones. You can't avoid them. You can't ignore that segment of customer. A lot of younger generation, even from the young age, they have the smartphone and they are using it, especially for a lot of shopping, a lot of videos which they go through it, and therefore digital marketing is becoming critical. Even if you see from the budget point of view, a lot of people in their AOP, the annual operating plan, they're shifting the budget from the functional marketing to digital marketing. Now, just to put it into perspective, we all have heard, we all know, we have read it during MBAs, we have read Philip Kotler's, that 4 P's of marketing is product, price, placement, and promotion. There are few more concepts which have people keep on adding. Some people say, okay, the product, price, placement, and promotion will not work without people, so there will be one more P which is for the people. Some people say, okay, another P which is process. But actually what we have learned as a concept is a marketing myth. The concept of 4P is product, price, placement, and promotion. But when it comes to digital marketing, what are those 4 Ps? And those 4 Ps is actually make difference from the functional marketing. And 1 P is called personalized. Digital marketing can be done in such a way, the segment or the target customer you can reach. I don't think through functional marketing you can define the age. If you have given a paper ad, it can be read by a younger generation. It can be read by older population. But your target customer, you cannot define it. Whereas in digital marketing, you can personalize the target audience and you can communicate with them directly. That is not possible with the conventional marketing or the functional marketing to a larger extent. The second thing is, most of the time in meetings we ask for director marketing, tell us about your return on investment, tell us about your return on investment. You have given an ad, you have given multiple ad, you have given ad, even the posters which you have put it across, you have billboards you have put in, even on the airport you have put in such a high cost billboards. Where is the return of investment? It's very difficult to figure it out. Whereas in digital marketing, which is the second P, is the performance, which means you can measure the performance. If you have, for example, on a Facebook, if you have boosted a post, you can see a lot of analytics which are there, which means digital marketing also allow you to the larger extent that how to measure the return on the investment which you have done. And nowadays people also make connect where you can also figure it out how much revenue you have generated for one campaign. It can be easily traceable, which was not possible earlier through the conventional marketing. They do it, they have their own way of doing it, but in a very organized, in a formal template that can be done through digital marketing. So the first P, which I said, is personalized. Second P is all about the performance, which is the measurement. The third P which talk about is portal. Once you have decided which target customer you want to position your product or which you want to reach to that customer, you can select the portal. You have LinkedIn, you have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have YouTube, and believe me, most of the portals behave differently. Not only for your content, but also depending on whom you want to reach. So I said the first is personalized. Once you have personalized, which means you have segmented your customer, you have target audience, and now you want to position. So that portal can be selected, which is very relevant to it. Every content cannot go to LinkedIn, every content cannot go to Facebook. A different population, different generation is there on Instagram. So you have multiple choice of the portal. So portal become one of the P. And the third thing what you cannot do in conventional marketing, which during my training in ISB on digital marketing, which they call it the fourth P, is the process, which means you can keep on doing day-to-day changes in your marketing plan. Today you have taken maybe 20 Google word, tomorrow you can fine-tune it. Today you have taken certain Google word which doesn't work, you can immediately change it. There are certain Google word where you are getting best outcome, you can add it. Maybe one channel is working, then the other, you can do it. I remember during the simulation in ISB digital marketing training, they have given me a budget which I failed in the first 3 rounds. 4th round I have taken the influencer. Okay, so there is something which you can continuously do, maybe on day-to-day basis, maybe on even hourly basis. That process is something which is missing when you do conventional. Once you have put in a ad in the paper, it has already gone. So I feel like the product, price, placement and promotion, the conventional marketing and the personalized, the performance, the portal and the process are the 4 P's for the digital marketing. You cannot avoid digital marketing, and therefore these 4 P's, if you create strategy in and around that, I think you will be pretty successful. Many organizations have started doing it, and many organizations have really focusing and diverting their marketing budget towards that. So digital marketing, somebody has asked me the 4 P's. Once again I say, in depth I will do one more video, but if you see prima facie here, the personalized message, the target segment which you have done, you can personalize your messages. You can review your performance maybe on day-to-day basis, maybe on hourly basis. In certain big campaign you can monitor it. Then the portal selection is also become important, and the last is the process. So you have to define the process which you have to do it to make sure that the campaign become a big success. So guys, this is on digital marketing. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.